Hi and welcome to a video as a member of the creative crew for Canvas Corp brands. Today I show you how I made some cards with their products. I had the paper pad from Canvas Corp Spring Showers and decided to make some spring inspiration cards to celebrate spring who is coming. I did use parts of the burlap in teal blue, the yellow patterned paper, the green striped and the lined paper from Mats. As a focal point, I did use 3 images from the paper with the spring-themed pictures. To color the images, I did use the mist from Tattered Angels in Icicle blue, caper green and vintage pink. I had some ready-made card pastes in white and started by applying color to the edges with distress ink in broken china, shabby shutters and squeezed lemonade. I have also used some ready-made flowers and ribbons from my stash. Now enjoy my process. I will step in whenever I have to say something, but in the meantime I'll leave you with some music. As you can see, I did use the mists also for the edges of the focal images, not only to color the pictures. I did use foam tape to give a little bit of dimension to card instead of just gluing it down. Just to be on the safe side with the combination of fabric and paper, I added some glue to the foam dots. I do this only when fabric is involved. Paper to paper isn't a problem. For the next card, I have used the striped paper with torn edges as a first layer. To the black and white striped paper, I have added color to the edges with the Tattered Angels Mist vintage pink. To attach the flowers, I did use hot glue. As you can see, when I glue this burlap fabric, I don't go right to the edges. I try to make sure that the glue will be covered by the next mat. There is no way not to have the glue shown on the burlap.